Negative numbers apply to lots of things, but one of the more noticeable ones is temperature. Numbers don't just stop at 0. When you count backwards from 0, you go into negative numbers. And right now, the temperature is -15. Let's see if we can heat you guys up a bit. Using a thermometer to order negative numbers is an easy way to see that -15 is a lower number than -5 because it's further down the line. And because they are both below 0, they are negative numbers. Negative numbers also apply in buildings when you go below ground level. -10, that's 10 floors below ground level. That was a lucky escape.